Hey guys, my name's Clint Coons. You may have read my book or seen my YouTube channel, but I've been investing for over 20 years. And as an attorney, I've seen the legal side and I've also looked at the tax side of real estate investing. And I can tell you when I first started out, I thought I knew it all, right? Because I went to law school, I had this stuff figured out. But over the years, I learned that setting up entities the right way can help you do more. And if you screw it up, it can really impair your ability to grow. Take it from someone who started investing and ran into a number of problems along the way because I just didn't get how taxes and your tax returns and the entities all play together when you want to go out there and borrow money and really grow your portfolio. Well, I've learned the secrets and I've helped thousands of people across this country discover those secrets and apply them to their own investing, and I want to do the same for you. I want to share with you the knowledge that I have learned from working with real estate investors for the past 20 years. And I'm going to do it this Saturday at my one-day tax and asset protection workshop, where we're going to be talking about various real estate investing strategies, such as single family, multifamily, BRRRR, wholesaling, house hacking, lease options, residential assisted living, maybe investing with a self-directed IRA. But I'm going to show you many things about how to do it the right way. Yeah, you can use LLCs, corporations, and land trusts, and we do use those tools, but there's very specific ways to set them up. And if you screw it up, well, the IRS may be knocking on your door, or that lender may not qualify you for a loan. I'm going to show you how to avoid all of that and make sure you get it put together and you're protecting your assets so you can build that generational wealth. You can create that retirement income. But more importantly, we're going to show you how to keep more of it in your pocket by explaining that real estate is one of the last and best tax shelters out there, and how you can use that in your own investing to make sure you're putting thousands of dollars a year back into your pocket just from investing in real estate. All of this is going to be jam-packed into a one-day event this Saturday, and I want you to take time now to sign up for that event, and I look forward to seeing you there.